Welcome once again. In this video I'll be showing you how to calculate pips on TradingView, the fastest way and the easiest way to calculate pips on TradingView. So there's a tool I want to show you, this tool here. So I've added it to my favorites. So let me show you how to get it. Click here, scroll to this forecasting and measurement area. You scroll till you find it. Yes, this is it. Price range, that's the name of the tool. Price range, click on it. Then as you can see, this my what will I put it, my position, it's actually a sell limit. So how do I calculate from the entry? How do I calculate my stop loss? How do I calculate my take profit? So the first thing is to do is to, okay, let's calculate our stop loss. Go to your entry. You measure from your entry to your stop loss. As you can see, you can see this number here, 0.544. All you have to do is to ignore the zero at the back, the first zero, ignore it. Then go to your calculator, write 544. You divide it by 10. Everything you always divide by 10. So once you divide by 10, you are getting 54.4. That's it here, 54.4 pips. So same thing, let's calculate from our entry to our take profit one, our TP1. Here I'm seeing 58.1. You go to your calculator, I said 58.1, 581. 581 divided by 10, you're getting 58.1. That's what you're saying here. That's the amount of pips. So instead of you calculating it, you can just, pips is actually here, but I'm showing you how they got it. They divided by 10. Same thing too. Let's go from our entry to our TP2, which is our final TP. You can see 832. If you divide it by 10, you're getting 83.2. So this is how to calculate pips on TradingView very fast. So for more videos like this, you can actually like and subscribe. You can actually like and share, and also follow. If you're on YouTube, if you're watching this video on YouTube, subscribe. If you're watching this video on TikTok or Instagram, make sure you follow so you can get more helpful videos like this. And you can actually go to my bio, click the link there. You see a link there. Click the link, it will take you to the Telegram channel. So bye for now. Have a nice day.